This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade today on Cardano. First, let's put my charts into perspective. Up here we have a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars are volume index or volume profile. Here, this is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you see here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. Here. Make that meter. 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. This is the daily chart. And I'll zoom in a little bit on the daily and we'll go over what I'm seeing here. So on the daily, we can see that Cardano is trading right at the 200 EMA. This is the 200, this blue line here. You can hardly see it here due to price action. It's trading right at the 200 EMA or right at the line, possibly just a little below. The slow stochastic not showing much, closer to the oversold side, but not much volume. Low volume today. Flat on the MACD here, and little to no seller momentum. So not much to see here on the daily, with the exception of being close to the 200 EMA. Here on the 60-minute, we can see that price action is trading above this 200 EMA right here. This is Camarilla pivot R4, this is Camarilla pivot R3. We can see this volume came in here in correlation right after the open here, the U.S. market open. We can see there are overbought conditions on the slow stochastic, and we have buyer momentum coming in here with the MACD above the average on the MACD here. We can see here on the 15-minute price action trading above the 200 EMA. We've got increased volume profile coming in here after the open that drives the price action up through the R4 level. This trade idea is an R4 to an R6 traverse here. We can see overbought conditions here on the slow stochastic, and we have sellers that were in control here early. Then we have a MACD crossover with a little buyer momentum here. We can see here on Cardano this morning, or at least here, opens up above this R3 level, never tests back on this R3 level, stays above the R4 level after the breakout, pulls back to test the R4 here at the US market open, and then buyers are able to drive the price up to this R6 level, where my goal was right here and where I took profits. And then we'll take a look at my tickets for today. So we can see my tickets for today. So this is the Cardano trade right here. Entry at 7.11, exit at 8.17 here. Risked 50 cents and made about 75 cents. I risked 50 cents, but my stop loss was not a total of 50 cents. So it was around a 4-to-1 trade. So my risk was actually less than 50 cents. I moved my account down to $50, and I'm only trading risking 1% of my account or so around that per trade. So I wanted to reduce my account size just to reduce the amount of trading I was doing. I was over trading, risking too much percentage of my account, just pretty much doing some tilt behavior. So reducing my account size and reducing my share size has been helpful already this morning. Instead of losing X amount of money today, I'm up a few bucks, which feels a lot better than being down a lot more bucks. So just doing let's say a psychology drill, and keeping things small and getting back to the basics of trading well. So I observe when I'm trading well, there's a lot different, or I'm doing things a lot differently than when I'm trying to make money. So focusing right now on good trading instead of making money. So this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.